said I will go to any level to work for them. That's it.
रेजिनाल्ड काय बीजेपीचे लिडर तुझ्या स्टेजीर जोडले तुका करपाक
अरे हांव इंडिपेंडंट रे बीजेपी किती हांव म्हणतो
बीजेपी मंडळान तुका सपोर्ट केल्लो रेजिनाल्ड
फ्रेंडान धाडले न्हू ताका
प्रेस हांवें फायद जालो ना वयल्यान लोक मुजे बरोबर रावले जो विश्वास लोकांनी मुजे दवरला तो विश्वास आनी काम करपाक म्हाका फुडें जाय हांवें जें उतर दिलां तें उतर दिवपाक खंयच्या लेवलार वचपाक हांव वयतो म्हूण सांगलां तें हांव खंयच्या लेवलार वयतो आतां म्हजे मुगे एकूच हें आहा मागणें वन द इलेक्शन हांवें आजून देखून सर्टिफिकेट घेयलो ना प्लीज डोंट आस्क मी whom I am going to support, what I am going to do. I need to talk to my people and I will answer all questions I will be the first person to tell you what I am going to do. So I think we should restrict. I am grateful to my people. I am grateful to my all people, my family, my everybody, my supporters.
बीजेपी करना सपोर्टर
My supporters.
बीजेपी करपाना
My supporters, please don't interrupt me. Let me say what I want. And then you ask me questions, I will answer. So whatever it is, all my supporters. When I say supporters, I cannot name them as this person, that person. I am an independent candidate. I am not a party candidate of any party. I am an independent candidate. So all of the people supported me. Cross sections of the people supported me. I am happy. I am grateful to them. And I will show my gratefulness by working for them. That is my sarike mungele tam mad ha ye munge lokak ko.
युअर फ्रेंड प्रमोद सावंत
बीजेपीक मेळ्ळ्या पूण तुमी ऑपोजिशनान बसच्या परस तुमकां दिसना तुमी रुलींग पार्टी कडेन
I need to talk to my people.